As a local business, we know that you have the challenging task of increasing your profits and continually growing your customer base. Unfortunately, most of the marketing options out there leave you with few identifiable profits, no return clientele, no real data, or require too much time to manage. Every day, thousands of local consumers visit localslikeus.com. These consumers are looking for valuable offers posted directly by great local businesses like yours. An offer could be a free coupon, a raffle prize giveaway, a private announcement, and more. Locals Like Us makes it easy for a merchant like you to create powerful marketing messages and offers. These are made available to public and private groups of relevant consumers. One such important group is your Inner Circle, a prized group of consumers that have told us they love your business. Locals Like Us enables you to sell, coupon, reward, raffle, announce, and more. Within minutes, you can create something specific like a personalized coupon that customers automatically receive on their birthday. Your customers will feel special, remain loyal, and most importantly, your sales and profits will increase. All along the way, you get valuable insight into your customers' preferences to easily refine and renew marketing strategies that people are responding to. Oh, how your customers will love you! So you've generated buzz, increased sales, created new loyal customers, and built stronger relationships with their existing fan base. You accomplished it all while staying very profitable and saving time. $199 a month allows you to grow your business now and into the future. No more deal-jumping consumers and giving away 50% of your profits with no ROI in sight. Start your free trial and see what the Locals Like Us buzz is all about.